Yeah, Vibestees live again in the kitchen. So I did some red snapper again. You hear that? Yeah, man. Rice and peas come up to the bone. You hear that? After the show I go on. We don't know we do it nothing but good food. If no good food we don't want it. You hear that? Yeah, man. And remember, you know, support the link, buy a t-shirt. We cook good food and make good design. You understand? Vibestees to life. You hear me? I come in on the video now there. Bless up to each and everyone who support Vibestees. No sir, enough love. We cook good food and make great design. Support my page. Trust me, you're not going to see something you want to like. Just buy it and rock Vibestees. You hear that? Owned by me, created by me. You hear that? Yeah, man. Enough love. Chicago over there, Chicago love. Straight from yard. You hear that? That's the thing. Back to the kitchen because we want to burn up the fish them. You see it? You hear that? You know, burn up the fish them. You see it? Yeah, man. But we still finish this. The rest of them.
Yeah, man. No,
yeah, man. I'm saying, we'll put some green peas tonight. You understand? We have all of the additional things put tonight. You see what I did? No joke. Yeah, man. So stay tuned up on the final result. I will show you everything we're going, right? Vibestees forever. Remember, support the link. Love and only love. You hear that? Love and only love. You see it? Red snapper fishing on the pot of fry. See that?